Hello everyone, this is Ruba Athap. I'm the course coordinator of C News Center. I'll be talking about IELTS listening today, how to solve the problems of IELTS listening. I'm going to share a screen with you. Wait for minutes. As you already know, the IELTS listening test is like the tape run for 30 minutes time, and you will be given extra 10 minutes time to transfer your answer in the answer script. So there will be like 4 sections: section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. These 4 sections are the different kinds of forms. Here the question will be given there, MCQ, fill in the blanks. I'll tell you how to solve these questions. Because the tape will run for only one time, there will be no second chances. No second chances will be given to listen to the tape in the real exam. This is section 1 of the one sample question. The 10 question over here, and like you have to follow the instruction very carefully, which is written over here. I'm highlighting it. Okay. Write no more than 2 words or a number for each answer. So in these gaps, you have to write maximum 2 words or a number. That means in this gap, you could put 1 word or 2 words, but not more than 2 words or a number. First, you have to read the question very carefully. You know, in between the 10 questions, there will be a pause. Like 1 to 5, there is the question will be given like this, and after that there will be a break for or pause for 30 seconds. You have to read the information very carefully, and before and after the gap, what are the things are given, you have to read them properly. Like here, timetable from 7 a.m. to the 3 gap p.m. So there will be a number. You can assume that. You can think of a number, and after listening to the tape, you can put the number over here. 6 to 10, here again, some minimum, the dollar sign is given over here. So again, here the instruction right now, 1 word or number. So in this gap, you will put 1 word or number. So you can already think that there will be like number over here, because this is a dollar sign. Again, there is a dollar sign here, number over here, and before and after the gap, the number 7, valid during and hours. So you have to read the text before the after the gap, so you can identify what, or you can think of a possible word which will be talking about that kind of sentence. If you find that sentence, and if you match the words, you can just put it over in the gap. So we're moving on to section 2. Like it's called selecting factors. Choose 5 letters A to I. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nine options are given over here. So you have to choose any 5 of them. Before that, you have to highlight the main thing, which 5 group fitness programs are available at Fitness Land. So it's about fitness program, you have to highlight them and the Fitness Land. So anything regarding those fitness programs and which are available in Fitness Land, you have to, by following these numbers, you have to mark those alphabets. From A to I, you have to choose 5 letters. 16 to 20, again, no more than 2 words, as you can see on the instruction. So days are given over here on the left side: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. An activity name, you have to find out the activity, and you have to put the activity in the gap. Before that, you have to read according to the day, which activity is given over here. You have to find out those activities name and according to the day, and you have to put it over in the gap. Moving on to section 3, 21 to 25. These are MCQs. MCQs, why do people experience pain? So again, you have to highlight them. Main thing is don't need to focus on the full sentence, just people and experience pain. This is the main. So this is the main thing. You need to highlight them, and regarding those points, if you find any kind of relevant information, you have to just mark it over here, A out of ABC. That's how you have to do the all MCQs. Plenty of MCQs are given over here. And again, for the gaps in section 4, you have to read listen to the audio clip very carefully, and before and after the gap, you have to find out the text. You have to read the text very carefully before and after the gap, and you have to follow the instructions. If you find the suitable word, you just put it in the gap. That's how you can do the listening part. These are the few tips and techniques which will be, I believe, which will become handy for you, useful for you. So besides that, listening, to improve your listening skills, before sitting for the IELTS exam, I can give you other tips, like you can watch movies and documentaries without using subtitles. That will improve your English listening skills, and which you can implement in the IELTS real exam. Thank you very much for today. Well, I'm inviting you to join C English Center if you want to prepare for IELTS exam or IELTS mock test or regular crash course. See you everyone. Thank you very much.